We come out here for a yearly airport drill, and our goal is to have crews familiarize themselves with the local airport, just refresh pathways, what the lights mean, ways to get to different areas within the airport, and they go through possible scenarios that could occur. They can look at anything from a brush fire to medical assist to even an aircraft fire. So tonight they'll start in the classroom and they will get that refresher course, and then they will go out into the airport, the pathways, and each crew will have their own scenario that they'll run through. Just again to refresh their memory, familiarize themselves, and just get that training. By coming out here, it does allow them to refresh their memory for ways to get around the airport, because there are runways, there are pathways that you can't go on, you need to go on. There are lights, and each of the lights mean different things. Because the Station 2 is known as the airport station, and it works day in and day out with airport scenarios, but the other stations don't get that daily training. So it's important that all crews get this airport training and not just Station 2.